Greetings everybody worldwide, it's your boy CleanCarChris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today, it's a product review, guys. It's probably my favorite new tool I added to my arsenal. Come on, check it out. The Keter collapsible work table. Super compact, guys. This is where I keep it when I'm going mobile. I just strap it right on top of my water tank. Grab it like so. Check it out, guys. This is the cool thing about this. Look at this, guys. Check it out. Boom. Just like that. How cool is that? It does have these pieces here you need to pull out for like support. You have one on each side and one in the middle. Super simple, guys. Check it out. Let me give you guys some specs on this. Lengthwise is 21.65. Width is 33.46. And the height is 29.75. So it's not huge, but it's not tiny, right? Like I said, the weight capacity is 1,000 pounds. I'm 205 pounds, standing right on top of this table. It feels super sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. Move around. Feels super secure to the floor, you know what I mean? So, pretty much CleanCarChris approved. Weight-wise, main reason about this, guys, is to eliminate the amount of times you have to bend over, you have to kneel, stoop for things from the ground. You know, guys, especially when you're out mobile, boy, it can be strenuous manually, you know, on your body, on your back, on your knees, your joints. So I got this to improve my work quality pretty much. You can rest anything on there, guys. You can set up your little workstation. You can put your towels. You can put your buckets, for example. I find myself doing this more and more, putting the buckets up here, especially my 2 buckets. So when I'm washing, boom, 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 you know, agitate your mitt here, dunk back in the wash bucket. You know what I'm saying, guys? Just so you don't have to bend over when you have your gun, doing your detailing. You know, you're constantly washing, foaming, whatever, putting it on the floor, picking it up, putting it. If you have this centrally located somewhere, boom, you can rest it there. Grab it and go about your business, right? It has storage under here too. So if you want to grab your foam cannon, you can grab it, put it under here. It has enough space. Any little tools you might have, your drill gun, you can drop it right there. Yeah, man, guys, you already know it's time to shout some of you viewers out because you don't know your comment and show me love, so I have to big you guys up. First person I'm going to shout out is at BenPierre1617. He says, Ben here from Leesburg and Shine Chaser Mobile Detailing. Great educational video and fun to watch. Yeah, man, big up, Ben. Appreciate that. Here's another one from at Duck Auto Spa. Hot in Houston, but good vibes. Nice work, Chris. Don't know, big up in Houston, you know. There's another one here from at J Cruz or J Cruzy. Up and coming detailer here. Your videos are always good and helpful. Keep it up. Blessings, you don't know. Big up, bro. And there's another one here from at Ernie ARAMBULA 3525. Don't know, coming to you from South Carolina. Great video, great content. Keep it going. Thumbs up. Big up, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, man, as easy it is to pull out and set up, it's easy to collapse as well, guys. So when you're done your work, just come, pull that down, push this in, push that in. This time you want to grab the second level right here. Boom, just like that, right, guys? See that? Easy 1, 2, 3. So you don't know, guys, I would highly recommend this work table. Trust me, especially if you're mobile. If you don't know, this product gets 2 thumbs up from me, CleanCarChris. You don't know, guys, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out if you want. So you already know, respect for tuning in every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Blessings. Yeah, man, guys, link me up. Trust me, I'm giving you an opportunity to promote yourself, promote your detailing business if you have one. So you don't know, send me a snippet of you cleaning or detailing a ride. Make sure you give me a name, the name of your detailing business if you have any, your location, and make sure you say in the video, car detailing with nothing but good vibes, and I'll definitely feature you on the channel. So all you have to do is go in the description and follow the instructions. Mad.